plan you are trading. You have your entry strategy, you have your stop loss, you have your profit taking point, which is the your sell point. Also, you have what we call your buy range. Once all these are in your are calculated into your trading plan, you will not get wrong. Or, no, you will not get it wrong every time, but rather it's when the market goes to leg against you. But if you have plan to trade, I will tell you, you will be more successful trader than those that are guessing or those that are being tossed up and down by the market direction. I pray that you that are in this class won't be tossed up and down by market direction because you are investing with what with knowledge. Yes, we want to look at the what is happening in the market here. But for example, I want to look at technical analysis. Like I said, that for you to successfully make money in this market, you need to have a plan that is guiding you. This one is that you must know either you are trading actively and also you are investing for what for maximum growth or to make profit. But your ability to combine your trading and investing for for profitable return is very, very important. And that is why, because the market is so dynamic, that you need to know what you are doing, because the trend in markets will continue to change. Volatility will not go out of the market and price fluctuation will remain there. But you can't do without one strategy. Either you are an investor or a trader, and this will guide you. Ability to combine these two will go a long way for you to as a market player to make informed decision. That's why I said stock market will at times delay or delay or destroy your your strategy or your retirement, but your ability to manage it, that is what makes you a good investor. That means you need to know how to to read your chart and focus on different strategies that will help you to take advantage of the market. This is very, very key, and that's why I said, for those that are in this class, that's why I start with with the live chart. Why I do the live analysis is that so that you yourself also know how to do it. The live analysis will guide you to know what you are doing in the market, and this time I show you how to do it yourself. Once you know how to do it, you can also know the precise review. What you expect to know when you know the precise review of the market, to know the market direction, because it is this direction that will tell you where the sector is going on. You must understand market direction from the one. That's why as we want to start trading, whether you are doing live as well today or not on the live class, you need to know where the market direction. That's why I always start with the all share index, if you remember. And if you want to go to other sector, you can equally do that when you are doing your doing an analysis. But because of our time, that's why I know. But really, when you see the market direction, it tells you what is happening, like what the market is going. And if market is going up, I think that most time 50% of market direction will drag the stock up. That means if market is on the uptrend, it will drag some stock up, and some factors or some stock are responsible for that market to be going up. And when also is going down, they are also selling down some stock. That's why market is good. That's why you must know first of all where the direction of the market. Once you're able to get that, make clear, it helps you to make money in the market. It's the best way to go when you are trading. Once you have it at the back of your mind, you are good to go at any given time as a trader or investor. These are the good things that you need to know, or very, very important thing you need to know in the market anytime you are trading. They are very, very key. Please hold on. My technical side should hold on. Don't know whether the other side whether the sister should hold on. Let me hear from him what he's going to say. Okay, sorry. Sorry for the interruption. Let's continue from here. Yes, as I was saying, you need to know the direction. Precise review. You need to know the direction of the market. It's very, very important. Here again, what is very important, we watch to know the index or the price action and the time and the momentum behind what the trend or the move you are seeing in the market. It's very key. You want to know the move that are in the market. Once you're able to know the move that is in the market, that is what will guide you what as an investor. That will guide you as investor. Please hold on. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, like I was saying, you need to know the what to watch, and this what to watch is the index and the what and the price action, the time and the momentum. And you remember, I always emphasize it on this class that is behind what the trend and the move of the market. On that is very important that every investor will look out for what for the key support or resistance levels of the market. They are very important. The key levels and the key the key support and resistance level of the market that need to what to be captured or to maintain or a breakout or what or a decline. It's either a breakout up or a breakdown. That's why maintain this to see where is the what the support level. And I taught you how to do that with your trend line and also where there is what demand or is getting to a level at that point they don't want to support that level of demand. And that is where you see people are trying to take they are not buying more than that. And that's why you can see sellers, what that sellers market, it become a place that the market is not going to that you see it become a resistance. But the day market to break out that with a new buying spike, and that's another trend that will continue. We need to understand all this. That is what we need to know as an investor or trader. But like I said, you must also combine your strategy, the two strategies together. You want to face trading, fine, but you want to do only investing, fine. But also you can do the two, concurrency or together. Why? I think that there are some stuff that will be in your trading portfolio, there are stuff that will be what in your investing portfolio. Especially now that we're in any season, there are stuff that we know their dividend yield is high and they're collecting their dividend. You can be buying those stuff for dividend. What some stuff we are buying for what? Look at your momentum, look at your chart, like I just said, look at your price action and buy and sell, make 18%, 15%, 20%, 40%. I think today we are giving some signal for them to say, if you put that attended master class for January, and others one that in the buy and sell group, so that you can take advantage of the market because as we speak, market is also giving a sign that people are taking profit already, and that's why I said no market will not remain in the up direction, especially as the election is coming closer. I want to see what we call cautious trading closer to the election. And if you're in profit now, nothing stops you by taking your profit and put your position in some stock that for your dividend in the position. It depends on your goal. Those that are doing for dividend might not be selling out, but those that are traders, you see the market at this point, it's time for you to work to also take your profit and move and forge ahead in the market. It's very important that we know all this so that it will guide us when we're taking our investment decision. Because these are very key important things that we need to know as traders. And also, I let's say that price action alone is not enough for you to say you're taking a decision. That is why you need to know the time and the momentum behind it. Because price action will tell you what is the behavior of the people, the psychology, like you are saying on this class, and these are the candlestick, this is price action, price structure. But you need to know the momentum behind it, the timing, what is around, you can see that during any season, there's a different, kind of scenario in the environment. It's kind of or sentiment in the environment. Let me do that. Or perception in the environment because of the any season. But when you see quarterly any season, there's also a kind of perception in that any. But this is a full year any season. We're seeing a different dimension. And you can see that despite the election is drawing closer, market remain in the uptrend. But I'll tell you, despite that market is in the uptrend, you too also that it's time for you to also to cash out some position so that you will also be in profit in those levels that are not at the end of the day you see your stock rally up and it will also come down without you benefiting from it. It doesn't make any single sense for me as a trader or investor. You must take advantage of what the market has provided for you and also you smile with it. That is where you say you are making what informed investment decision. For me, that is how to go about the market because I believe that market will not remain in up direction. Also, it will not remain in the down direction at any given time. We are about to see all these changes to happen in the market. Once it happens, you are also good to go because of what you are a trader or investor in the market. These are how to do trading. You don't need to say I want to wait until no. Once you have made money in your position, all you do straight is work for you to move ahead and not take advantage of what the market presents for you at that particular time. Yes, we want to look at the market itself. As you look at the market, I'll tell you market is slightly down in red. I said the market was missed at the beginning. I see that market is losing just 30.96. Right about market is down by 0.08 as we speak now. If you can, approximately that will give you 0.1%, but actually market is down by 0.08, just slightly down. And we're also seeing that market is also having a negative breadth. We're having 13 losers against 11 gainers as we speak. And we want to know those top gainers as we speak now. The top gainers in the market are Conway. You can see that Conway is gaining 10%. You can see Miss Oil, I see all the oil companies, I see UPDC and also International Energy and WAPIC. These are the five no, top gainers as we speak. Corn Oil, Miss Oil, UPDC, and what and International Energy Insurance and WAPIC or Pronation Insurance. You know what we call it. Then those on the loser chart, the top five are Japan Gold, you can see UACN, Mutual Benefit, Adover and what and the FCMB. FCMB profit taking, I know that that stock also rebound very quickly because of the number behind it and what is expected. But also expect that what is happening today in the economy is a plus for all the banks. And these are the price of these banks are low. For me, it's time for you to take. Well, these banks are presenting value. And also don't forget that these banks are the most consistent in terms of dividend. And on the strength of their earnings, we have seen for those that really their own account, we have seen their position. For me, for all those stocks that have that potential, when you are buying them, see they put back in them, it's time for you to work to accumulate more and wait for what their final result. And I believe that their Q1 result, no matter what is happening, the banks has work to benefit from it. And you know what I mean? What is happening if you're able to call back money to the coffers of the bank, at the end of the day, either in the medium and the long term, the banks are going to benefit from it. That means if you are taking a position in the financial sector, you know the banks you are in because banks are going to stay. I believe this as a work for influencing their performance going to the future. Despite the crisis we're having now of kind of distortion we're having because of this cash redesign and availability of it for people to have access, it will normalize very soon, and that will put us on the right pedestal for as a nation where we are going in terms of economy. It's able to check our our inflation, help also to our monetary policy to become more effective for us to guide our decision, also to give the economy a clear direction. For me, it's a good one, and that is for the market. But quickly before we go to the chart, I want to see the stock that has in terms of volume that are leading. Yes, I can see that the banking sector, especially the big names, the first tier banks, are constantly resisting to break below 25. You can see the life of Zenith Bank and GT Code. They have continued to resist, breaking down below their 25 number in the last 5 trading days. As we speak now, they are doing 525, 520, and 510. Then why Zenith Bank is leading by 7.7 million shares, followed by GT Code 5.5 million shares, Transcorp trading around the 132 kobo 4.7 million shares, International Energy 3.3 million shares, and Onwando trading at 4 naira 05, 4 naira 5 kobo now 2.4 million shares. These are the stocks that are doing in terms of volume. But quickly we'll come to our chart. But if you look at our chart, because market at this hour is slightly in green, because that here market like also looking at on the west, kind of it's like a flat market, not maintaining an uptrend, but it's true that market has broken out 15 years high, and we're seeing that now that trend is continuing. But this morning we're seeing a flat position, profit taking has slowed down the market, and that's why we need to call up our charts now to help us also to get the direction clear that you and I will know what we are doing in the market. That's why we must look at the general market where it's going, look at the money flow, look at the our C line. This tree line, I encourage you know exactly how I use it because in different multiple time frame it works effectively if you understand how to use it. That's why you need to master this T line because it will go a long way to assist you taking your work investment decision. Mark D here. Yeah. We are good to go. This is the market now. You can see the direction of the market. You can see your T line that market above the T line. I'm very, very confident on this. And also, if you look at this pattern here, this is already a V shape. And you see a V shape, a bullish V shape that supports a continuation of what a reversal. But to speak now, market is looking up. But we can't say the market has entered at a distribution level. But at the end of the day, we'll conclude. But as to speak now, market is slightly in red. And we're seeing more sellers now starting against what 11 good one profit taking market have rallied straight for since a long time from November and also since this month for straight 5 days 6 days. I think the market on the what in the